o'er the fields of Ayton Rye. Forlorn the young lads and lassies, crying all old Scotland's and Ireland's sad ages gone by. How the green Isles, hills, and valleys, and shores weep and cry. Lo, the Hale hills of Lake, Loch Lomond and Two. For Ireland in its far awayness, for its green Isles and crystal creeks, and to moor upon the moors, for Scotland's rocky peaks, for the storied North's lost love, times no more poetic longings, for ancestral homes low in old Caledonia. Lo, came the great famine, the great hunger time. Oh, hear the starving mothers of starving wee ones cry, as so many of dear old Ireland died. 'Tis history's dear tale, how they longed to tramp the Scottish fen, wade the waters therein, see the shaggy bovine upon rocky fields. Oh, Ireland, how we weep, how we turn in our sleep, how we long for all those gone. Our tears will ever go on and on, go on and on, for all those countless dear hearts who are forever gone, for whom we sing this forlorn song. Their souls sweetly keep.